Okay, so in this video, we are going to be working on number 6 from your assignment, and we're going to be talking about how we're going to graph this quadratic equation we call the graph, the parabola. So the first thing we want to do is we want to find the factors if they have any. So we're going to factor 2x squared plus 12x plus 16. So to do that, I have to set it equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 2x squared plus 12x plus 16. We can pull out a factor or 2, or we can divide everything by 2. It's the same terminology. So we have 0 is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 8. And we want to find factors of a times c, so that's 1 times 8, that will add up to b, which is 6. So what are factors of 8 that add up to 6? 2 and 4. We're going to have 0 is equal to x minus 2, plus 2, times x plus 4. I got ahead of myself there. So now we want to solve for x. So we have x plus 2 is equal to 0, so that means x has to be negative 2, and x plus 4 is equal to 0, so x is going to be equal to negative 4. So let's graph that. Well, we want to graph the x-intercepts. We have negative 2 and negative 4. By doing this, first, we can now see that the x value of the vertex is going to be negative 3, and the axis of symmetry is going to be on x is equal to negative 3. Because since our x-intercepts are negative 2 and negative 4, the distance between them is 2, and a parabola is symmetrical. So we just draw a line directly in the middle of it. So now we have x is equal to negative 3. That's going to be our axis of symmetry. We can use this now to plug into the equation to find the y value of the vertex. So vertex, we have x is equal to negative 3. We're going to plug it in to our equation. So we have y is equal to 2x squared plus 12x plus 16. We get y is equal to 2. I'm just going to fill it all in black first. I'm going to plug in negative 3. So we get y is equal to negative 3 squared is 9 times 2 is 18. Plus, let's see, 12. Sorry, I'm recording this outside. It's a beautiful day. We have 12 times negative 3 is negative 36, so it's minus 36 plus 16. Now we can simplify that. 18 minus 36 is negative 18. Negative 18 plus 16 is negative 2. So my vertex, I'll put it in green. So it's going to be, so I'll put v, I'll put is equal to negative 3 comma negative 2. So negative 3, negative 2. And it should open up because my a is positive, which means that it's going to open up. So we now graph it. Again, this is not going to be perfect, but it's going to be something like this. We can see that it's not hitting the y-intercept because our y-intercept is 16, and that isn't on the graph. All right, hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out. We will have a check-in on Wednesday, and it will be graded, but you are doing great. All right, we are so proud of you. Keep it up. Reach out if you have any questions. Have a good one.